I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be unboxing the military playset. So let's unbox it and check it out. So first, we're going to cut it with some scissors. Right now. This should be pretty easy. Cut the tape. Like that. Like that. Oh, and there you go. So this part. That and whoa, there's a military car. Nice. And we have some bomb and a tree, a plane, military gun, and a minigun, a talker phone, and a boat, and some characters. This is a walkie-talkie, and another gun, and some military people. And that's all it comes with. It just comes with this big pamphlet. So that's all it comes with. So let's put them in order. So, what do you think we should do? I think we should save the Earth. All right, so let's go with our guns. Let's go in the truck. Oh man, this is so dessert, so disastered. Oh my gosh, there's a boat. Let's go in it. Let's go. Oh man, there's another player. Okay. Oh man, let's shoot them. Let's shoot him. Oh man, no. Oh, phew. My gun is super powerful. How do you think about that? No. Are you dead? No. Oh, phew, you're not dead, okay? So let's go. Okay, let's go in the airplane. You stay here, and I will go in the airplane. Whoa, I crashed. Oh no, woohoo, let's go. I'm flying on the airplane. I'm flying. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment in this video. Bye.